on some selected announcements made during Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, the progress, so that you know that there is a continuity with which we are coming up with the announcements. And I call them under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan 1.0 and Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan 2.0. Now, under 1.0, there are 3 slides with which I explain the progress in some of the items. What are those some? Why should it be only some? Some which have a direct bearing on the poor, the farmers, and so on, are the ones I'm giving you progress on. On the others, we are ready to give the progress, but probably I didn't want to take more of the time here. We will share it with you. So, under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan 1.0, some of the announcements which were made are seeing very good progress. And the first one I take there is about the One Nation, One Ration card, in which interstate portability has been achieved in 28 states and union territories. They are all under the national portability of ration cards now, and from 1st September, they are actually effectively on in terms of giving interstate portability. And how many people does it cover? 68.6 crore beneficiaries are now opting for lifting their food grains from any of the FPS stores of their choice in any of the 28 states or union territories. Intra-state portability, that is within a state portability, is also enabled in those 28 states and union territories, and 1.5 crore monthly transactions are happening in them. This is very important, and this was one of the very progressive steps that we took towards the poor being ensured of food security. If you go to the next one, which is the PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi, which is the PM Swanidhi, you have 26.62 lakh loan applications which have been received, of which 13.78 lakh loans totaling 1,373 crores which have been sanctioned in 30 states and 6 union territories. So the coverage of the PM Swanidhi for the street vendors is now there in 30 states, and that is the number of people who have already got covered. And applications which are otherwise there will all be attended to at the earliest. I remember talking before you all about migrant workers and also the way in which the union government is responding to make sure that they are given some kind of a facilitation. However, the portal which was going to have been made for recording the movements of migrants from where to where and so on, the work was commenced on starting a portal. Labour Ministry together with the Finance Ministry and other concerned ministries are working together closely with the states, and the work has commenced for creating a portal on migrant workers.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान के अंतर्गत सबसे पहले प्रावधान किया गया था अन्न और धन की कोई कमी ना आए, और उसी दिशा में माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी ने उस समय भी एक घोषणा की थी कि एक देश एक बाजार की तर्ज पर एक देश एक राशन कार्ड, इस दिशा में भी हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। राज्यों को कहा था कि अपने यहाँ पर लागू करें, और हमें कहते हुए प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि 28 राज्यों में और यूनियन टेरिटरीज में इसको लागू कर दिया गया है 1 सितंबर 2020 से। इसमें लगभग 68.6 करोड़ बेनिफिशरीज, यानी कि 68 करोड़ 6 लाख से ज़्यादा बेनिफिशरीज को, लाभार्थियों को इसका लाभ मिला है, जिनके पास अब ये प्रावधान होगा कि वो एक राज्य के बजाय दूसरे राज्य में भी जाएंगे तो वहाँ जाकर फेयर प्राइस शॉप से, यानी कि राशन डिपो से राशन ले सकते हैं। तो मजदूर जो प्रवासी है वो केवल अपने घर, अपने गांव में ही डिपो से राशन लेने के बजाय अब जहां पर भी काम करने जाएगा वहां पर राशन ले सकता है। ये सुविधा भी उसको दी है। और एक इंटरस्टेट पोर्टेबिलिटी की जब हम बात करते हैं, इसमें 28 राज्य और यूनियन टेरिटरीज की जब मैं बात कर रहा हूं तो इसमें लगभग 1.5 करोड़ ट्रांजैक्शंस प्रति माह हो रही है। इससे भी पता चलता है कि किस तरह से इसको बल मिला है और आगे इसका लाभ भी मिलेगा। दूसरा, जो स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स, जो अपने परिवार का पेट भरते हैं रेडी फड़ी इस पे काम करके ठेला लगाकर, उनके लिए भी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने निर्देश दिए थे और माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी ने घोषणा की। तो उसमें भी अब तक लगभग 26,62,000 जो आवेदन आए थे लोन के लिए, उसमें से 13,78,000 लोन सैंक्शन कर दिए गए, जिनको कुल मिलाकर 13,73,33,000 रुपये के लगभग पैसा सैंक्शन हुआ है 30 राज्यों में और 6 यूनियन टेरिटरीज में हुआ है। और हमने केवल घोषणा ही नहीं की, इसको जमीन तक लागू करवाया। और इसके लिए जो पोर्टल की बात माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी ने कही कि जो प्रवासी मजदूर हैं उनके लिए एक वर्किंग पोर्टल भी हमने तैयार किया है, ताकि पारदर्शिता भी आए और जवाबदेही भी तय हो, इस पर भी काम शुरू हुआ है।
I move to the next. Again, progress in some key items under the Atmanirbhar 1.0 announcements. At that time, we had made announcements linked to the Kisan credit cards. Credit boost has been achieved to 2.5 crore farmers through the KCC. 183 lakh applications were received, slightly over that, and banks have issued that 157 lakh KCC, Kisan credit cards, to the eligible farmers, and the total amount sanctioned is also given there, 1,43,262 crores were distributed in 2 phases. So that progress ensured that the farmers got the Kisan credit cards, and also the eligible farmers who received the Kisan credit cards received that money amount as sanctioned credit for those farmers. So farmers were covered through the Kisan credit card and through the Kisan credit card for the immediate agricultural activity based requirements. Similarly, we announced a Matsya Sampada Yojana, and in that 21 states have sent the proposals. They've also received the money and sanctioned 1,681 crores for the fishermen who were to be covered under Matsya Sampada Yojana. A third item which I would want to put here is also for the farmers. At that time, we were still talking about the Kharif crop and also harvest of Kharif. We were somewhere between. But in anticipation of the Rabi, we said we will give over and above the BE 25,000 crores, which will be distributed to the farmers so that their preparation for Rabi, preparation for sowing for Rabi will all be facilitated. I am happy to say 25,000 crores have been distributed of that additional amount over and above the BE through the NABARD for that purpose.
सो मजदूर के बाद